What do you mean?
Them two shouldn't be marking nobody with them Bugs Bunny fucked up ass teeth.
There he is. There he is.
Oh my God.
Huh? Look at this guy,
I
man.
don't know why. What's with
Hello,
the
gentlemen.
What?
How you look doing? How
Yeah,
you look doing? It's like it's a winner. You know, to be honest, I rate all of you. Because I would feel like how you man are feeling right now. I'd be uncomfortable. Like Tottenham's really moving mad right now. Like they're getting win after win.
Mad. That's an overstatement.
Whatever you're doing, we're doing. What have you done more than my club so far? What have you done? You win, I win.
0 goals conceded.
You done more concerts than us.
0 goals conceded. 0 goals conceded, bro. In the Prem, you've conceded 1 goal. I've conceded 1 goal. Hold that.
Yeah, fair.
Us from a free kick.
Huh?
Us from a free kick.
You're winning a concert battle, bro.
I'm telling you now. I said something the other day on another channel, and I know you guys, and I don't expect you to, so you don't know. So I want to bring you man up to speed because I've been telling Northside for at least the last 2 weeks. You man are worth 3.4 billion. You've won 3 Prems. My club is worth 3.3 billion. We ain't won a Prem yet. We are the best investment in world.
Shout out to the concerts, bro. Shout out to the go-kart. Shout out to Beyonce.
100%.
Listen, bro. What are you talking about? Heritage,
100%, bro. 100%, bro. We are valued at the same amount of money you are. We ain't won a trophy yet.
That's nice. That's nice.
So
bro,
when we win the Prem or the champs, we'll be worth 6 billion.
All right. So when we win the Prem, what are we going to be worth, bro?
Let me tell you something.
What are we going to be worth when we win the Prem?
Something. When we win the Prem, you know what the Americans would say? They would say, "Fall back, my guy. Fall back. Fall back, my brother." That's what it is, bro. Fall back, player. That's right. You know you're scared. You lot are all scared.
We haven't said fall back in 10 years, bro. We haven't said fall back in 10 years, bro.
How can you say you win 1 Prem and you're worth 6 million?
Because we're already worth 3 billion.
With the money.
We're the best investment in world.
Where's the 3 million coming from?
Oh shit!
I don't get that.
How much?
You're shaking your bum. What have you achieved so far this season? Why are you so excited?
I can explain.
Violently, might I add? I have to add that.
Bro, at the end of the day, I can come on this channel, which is an Arsenal channel, pause, because you have to pause when you make comments like that. Bro, like man is joint second in the Prem. I'm doing what you man are doing. If you're happy with what you're doing, I'm happy with what I'm doing.
Well, we're 4 games in, bro.
Can I ask you a question?
We're not happy. We're not happy, bro. We lost 1 game and we're not happy.
Same.
Same. You are excited off a second. You're excited off a second.
Whatever you're doing, I'm doing.
Bro, your expectation is not to win the Prem. What's our expectation, bro? It's to win. It's to win. Only winning, bro. Nah. What? What? Because of the Europa League? Because of Ange Postecoglou, bro?
Bro, can I be real? Have you heard the Champions League song?
What?
Let me tell you, yeah. Northside, I don't want to demonetize you, but I would really love to drop the tune real quick for my brother because I don't think he's heard it.
Monetize.
Go on, drop the beat.
You want me to drop it, yeah? Hold tight, everyone, because this is for my bro right here, yeah. He needs to hear something because he's asking me questions that I'm getting slightly rattled by. Hold on. I'm gonna drop the tune, and then I'm gonna sing it as well for all of you, so you lot can hear properly. Yeah. When you hear this beat, then I'm gonna ask you to look at yourself. Hold the mirror up and look at yourself. You ready?
It's just like going immortal technique.
What's going on? Sorry.
Because we are champions, bro.
He's not used to it.
Bro, you're not a
You're
champion,
not
bro.
used to it, bro.
You're not a champion, bro.
I know.
What are you doing there?
You-
I'm a champion.
I was
That's why I'm here. Because I'm a champion. You're not a champion.
It didn't sound champion. It didn't
What,
sound
Europa
champion.
League? Europa League.
You know what I'm
That
saying?
every
Bro, that's not
no
the
Champions
ringtone,
League
bro.
team played the Europa League. That's not the
Bro.
ringtone. You're wrong.
Ringtone, bro.
Bro,
It's the
that
other one,
is
it's the other one, it's the
Champions
other
League
one.
anthem. If you ain't a champion, what you doing there?
Bro, you just stated that
No,
we
no, no,
won
it's
3
the other
Premier
one.
Leagues in our history, bro.
Nah, we're not doing that, bro. Bro, like,
When you
bro,
was in the competition, when you had Poch, yeah, what was you the champion of?
bro, we were we won a trophy. Winning that trophy got us a Champions League space. Is it not? Is it not?
Yeah, it did.
All right, man.
Run
Can
the
you say?
one is
Can I ask you, man, a question? Like legit now.
Oh my god!
In this first round of the games, do you think you'd be above Spurs in the Champions League table? Be honest.
Yes,
The third fit.
How many points do you think
without
you're
doubt.
gonna get? How many points are you getting in this first round of games?
We're
This
getting
is what you're
second place.
flexing. But bro, don't even entertain it. Why are we flexing?
Honestly, don't
Who finishes
entertain
where
this.
in the
Listen to
table?
North,
Like,
bro.
who's winning it? Are you, Deji? Are you winning it? Yes or no? Because you were shaking your bum violently for the Super Cup, which you lost, and then you went quiet. All of a sudden, you had no signal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, how are you flexing? What are you talking about?
I'll be honest with you, bro. Like the people that was in my chat, I told them that today the performance was dusty. But what it was though, let me ask you a question. People keep telling me that what Liverpool's done so far is the mark of champions. They've played rubbish, but they've been getting the win. That's what they've told me. We played rubbish and we got the win. That's the mark of a champion.
Sometimes.
Based on what? Based on what?
Based on tonight's performance, it was a professional performance from my club.
So your club is winning what then this season then?
Bro, look, you lot like to just Batman.
No. You said, oh, but they're talking about Liverpool. Why they not talk about your club?
I just want to know if you man. I just want to know if you man are going to be competitive.
No. But don't answer a question with a question. I asked you a direct question. You're saying why are they not putting my club, your club, in certain conversations? So what are you going to win the Prem this season?
Bro,
Are you going to be in the conversation?
I'm not after the Prem this season. I'm quite happy with top 4.
So how are we in the same boat, bro? How are we in the same boat?
You're not
This
doing that neither, bro.
This is not okay, bro.
You can't compare. This is
not okay.
Thomas Frank's just got here, bro. He's just got here.
Oh my
Oh my days.
Frank's
You're right. You're right with it.
You're
right with top 4.
Yeah, but what do you mean Thomas Frank has just got here? Yeah, but when Slot went to Liverpool, people said they needed a rebuild. It's going to take time, and he was able to win the Prem. So no, but you called that manager dusty though. That did that when he just got there and won a Prem. Big up to Rants for the raid as well. Big up to everyone that's joined from Rants. You know what I mean? We got Deji right now. He's shaking his bum because he beat Villarreal.
At the end of the day,
Right now. He's got his hat lean right now, looking at the black hair.
at the end of the day,
Villarreal.
I just want to say to all the Arsenal fans out there, if you haven't noticed, we're coming.
To finish fourth.
Pause. That's a pause. That's a pause right there. That's a pause.
I'm not pausing it.
Yeah, really? Okay.
You're not.
To finish fourth.
Oh
Nah,
my
this
days,
is
that's a
crazy.
But nah.
You know what I'm
Hey,
saying?
run Cup Winners' Cup. Run that Cup Winners' Cup song. Run that. Because we won it. You know what I'm saying? We won the Europa League. We won it. Yeah. It was the equivalent.
Come on, man.
All right, so
Yeah.
what? Hey, Deji. Real question. Do you think you're gonna get to the semi-final at least this season in the
Oh
Champions
my
League?
days.
Yeah.
That's your minimum.
Stop it.
Semi-final,
Don't say it
yeah?
with a straight face.
We'll go further than
Don't
Arsenal. Sure.
He said it. There we go.
We'll go further than you. I can't say we'll win it, but we'll go further than you, my bro.
Okay. No problem.
Shame
That's
on
all I
you.
wanted to hear.
Look. At the end of the day, man, then the reason why first of all, apologies for interrupting you lot's stream. I know you, man, was shaking your bum for that dusty 2-0 win against Athletic Bilbao, but the truth of the matter is, bro, like, don't if I were you, I'll be looking over my shoulder. Yeah, couple Qataris looking to come through, buy Spurs. If they buy my club, we're dominating for years to come. Just know that. Yeah, because we managed to get here without no peace. So, and we've been building from the ground up.
How does that work?
I'm just here to remind you.
How does that work when you guys are going to get hit with the same corrupt PSR that's preventing Aston Villa and Newcastle from spending money?
Bro, I don't care if you call it GTR, PSR, bring all them things there, bro. We are the best.
You don't
we
have
are the best run club in world football. We don't run better than you, bro.
I'm a Napoli fan, bro.
What, you run the concerts well,
you're not run better than
the
me.
concerts?
We'll run better than us.
No, you're not.
That's what you run.
No, you're not. We've won more trophies. We've won more trophies in 21 years coming from bankruptcy than you guys have had, bro. Chill out.
What trophies have you won in recent years?
2 Scudettes, 2 league titles.
Oh, my days.
In 3 years.
How many years
ago? 3
ago?
years. 2 league titles in 3 years.
How many years ago?
2 league titles in the last 3 years.
No, I swear down. Hold on. Let me just check. I need to check something.
We went from bankruptcy to over $1 billion.
I'm going to be real.
From coming from the 4th division.
When people tell me about
it's not the same bullshit corrupt money that you guys get in England. So you're not the best run club.
Hold on, bro.
Because if I remember correctly, isn't Spurs ownership the main guys that pushed through FFP? Because you guys were sick of getting bitch slapped by the Italian teams for years in the 90s and 2000s.
It's called business, bro.
They mean the concerts. They mean the concerts, bro, not football. They mean like Shakira and Beyonce and that. You know what I'm saying? That's what they mean by running the club. Do you get me?
I don't know why you're not hating Shakira and Beyonce, bro. If it's bringing in money into my club, I don't give a damn. I gotta be shameless. I don't care. Look, at the end of the day, I understand that.
How about the sushi bar?
Bro, look, at the end of the day, you lot are hating because you can see that my club is direct competition for you, man, this season. I get it.
Bro, no one's looking
if I was in your position, I'd be worried.
No one is looking at Tottenham. No one's looking at Tottenham.
Honestly.
You can't do this. Hey, Deji, you can't do this. I'm sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah.
If you look at the league, you're looking at Tottenham. Look at the league.
This is when your little brother beats you in FIFA. This is what happens.
You're looking at my club,
okay? This is what happens when he beats you one game. One game in FIFA. This is what he'd be doing.
Oh, yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. Northside, I'm slightly rattled right now. You know, we need to do a special stream. Nah, we're done. All these brothers need to make sure they attend that special stream.
Bro, I'll be there, bro.
November 22nd. I don't care if you don't want to meet in a neutral location. I'll meet you, man, in Fiji. I don't give a damn. Make sure we're in the vicinity.
But what is it that we're in competition for?
In Yellowstone National Park, I don't give a damn.
Neutral.
What are we in competition for, though, Dej? Yeah, because you said your club's finishing 4th, so you're not in the title race.
Bro,
your own word. You said you're not winning the Champions League, even though you're playing the Champions League.
You're not winning. You're not doing.
Yeah, but you're doing the top doing the thing that it's a journey to be proud of. Like you're sounding more like Tony Claude. I don't even know why you even clash with my man, because you're sounding like Tony Claude right now, and even Tony Claude ain't sounding like the old Tony Claude. He's actually been cussing out the club.
Yeah.
So I don't even know why you're getting into your fellow Nigerian, because you're sounding like the old Tony right now. You're talking about we're gonna finish in the semis. Yeah, but it don't matter. We're not gonna win nothing. We're gonna finish 4th. Like, what is it that you're flexing right now?
At the end of the day, what I'm saying to you is, I would be happy with the semis. But if my club decide to go a step further, I'd be happy for it, bro. I'll bite your hand off.